Alright, got a quick review of this Dell Mobile Workstation. This is the Precision 5560. Let's go and check it out. And you got a lock slot right there for security cables, and you got USB-C 3 ports. This is, I believe, Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4. Got the power light right there in the middle. And then you got a USB-C 3.2 port, secure digital card slot, and headphone jack. And let's go and open it up. And here is the keyboard. It's nice and compact, tactile touch. Unfortunately, no numpad for all you accountants out there. Got a nice big trackpad for multi-gesture. Only issue I have is the power button's right there. So I've pressed it many a time while pressing backspace and delete, so it does get annoying. There's the screen that's 15.6 inch glossy. It's 38 by 40 by 2400 resolution, so UHD with a webcam at the top. And let's go and check out the interior. And you have two M.2 hard drive slots. Both slots are PCIe Gen 4x4. And you got two memory slots, DDR4 up to 3200 megahertz. Max capacity is 64 gigabytes of RAM. So plenty of horsepower for all your multimedia needs. And let's go ahead and check the resolution. There it is, 3840 by 2400. And I'll show you here why I like that for purposes such as Photoshop. So when I use Photoshop, I do a lot of multi-image editing. I need the extra real estate space. And also when I check my email and do research for work, I like to use multiple websites to compare side by side. So it definitely helps. So yeah, if you use this for graphic design, CAD, any kind of heavy duty application, definitely get this.